Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get a free trial on GearUp Booster. So first, we just have to simply get to its website, GearUp Boosters. Once you're on its website, you will see this option which is Get GearUp Booster, and under it we have the option to download it. So if you are on Windows, you can click onto that option, and after that, the downloading will start. Once the downloading gets done, then it will show you the option to install it. Once the installing is done, it will just take a while, and after that it will open. Once it gets open, you will see this home page. Now here we have this option which is refer and get free VIP. So you can just simply refer this platform to your friends through Facebook or maybe any other way, and after that you will be able to use its premium features. That means you will use it for free, but first you have to just simply sign up with your account and share it with others. So that's how you can get free trial on GearUp Booster. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.